Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a separate account and environment so you isolate risk. This reduces bans and keeps progress intact. Next, update Roblox and verify the Mm2 map list so targets match the script. Install the auto farm tool and inject only after the client is running. This ensures correct hooks. Once done, configure basic movement and anti-idle timers and set loot pickup priorities so the bot knows what to collect first. Now you tune the core behavior. Map spawn points and mark safe zones so the bot avoids obvious danger. Make the bot prioritize weapon pickups and crate interaction because efficient loot drives farm speed. Then set movement smoothing and reaction delays to mimic human timing, which lowers detection risk. Also configure server hopping triggers, like low loot rate or high suspicion, so the script moves you automatically to productive games without pausing overall progress. You start operation in controlled blocks, watching logs and resource use to catch errors fast. Make sure the bot writes activity reports so you can review success rates and adjust settings after each session. If something goes wrong, first pause the bot and check for injection conflicts or outdated API hooks. Re-authenticate the account if necessary. Finally, make incremental changes and retest. This minimizes detection and maximizes stable farm output while keeping your account safer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.